Hello, this is Nevis here, and I'm going to show my students how to join a classroom and then go in and do the assignment that is due today, but we'll just go in and clarify a few things. So this is the class I want to join. It gives me a decline option or a join option, so I'm going to join this class. Now I'll wait for the class to open, and here it is. I'm just going to say got it because I know what I'm doing here. Now, what I want to do is I want to go to the Flipgrid activity. Here it is here. So I'm going to click on it. I am as a student at this point. Here it's asking me to add the link to my Flipgrid. Now, I have to go to Flipgrid and actually make a Flipgrid. So let's go and do that right now. I have to log in with Google, which I'm going to do. And here I am. I have to log in using the school account. Now I want to go in, and this is the one that I'm going to be adding a video to. So actually I think I've got a video. Here it is. This is the video. Can I use that one? Yes.
This is an example.
I'm going to grab the link up here.
The question I'm choosing is, who is your favourite relative? And
so I'm going to grab the link that is in the browser, copy that. Then I'm going to go over to the Flipgrid activity, and where it says add, it'll be different in Italian. It'll say aggiungere. I'm going to go and click on link, add a link, and that's where I'm going to put the link to my Flipgrid. Add the link. Once I've done that, I'm going to hand in. It's saying, is that what you want to hand in? And I'll say, yes, that's it. Hand in. And then the teacher will get it. Let's go back to, let's go back to the class. And at any time, I can go in and have a look and see that it has been submitted, and I can always take it back if I want to. Okay, so that's it there. There are 3 class comments. I can check those out if I want. There they are. So these 2 students here will have to add it in as a link in their assignment page, which is here, and then press submit. Not unsubmit, obviously. That's it. That's how easy it is. It's gone, and then the teacher gets it, and the teacher corrects it. That's it. Thank you for listening.